So here's another mixing with waves plugins. Now excuse the voice, a little under the weather. I'm creating a playlist and I'm going to show you some of these plugins that not everybody's talking about. So we got the Sonic Enhancer. Now I love this thing. And again, you probably use this, you probably don't, or you probably never even seen this before. Before anything, it's on bypass. You guys heard that before. Plug it on. Let's start messing around with the plugin. Now I'm going to overdo it. And then over here you have your direct. Now I have used this on 2 tracks that are lacking some high end or even some low end. I think everybody should have a really high quality meter. By the way, you can actually get the unit. So this is actually an emulation. Somewhere on the screen, I'm going to have a photo of the real thing. Waves did a great job. So over here, we have some options. So you got 14, 18, and 20. So we're talking about minus 14, minus 18, minus 20. Let's go ahead and use clip gain to kind of bring that up. So those are my 2 Waves plugins. You know what, I'm going to continue to do these type of videos because Waves, they have so many plugins and not everybody talks about it. Like I said earlier, everybody's talking about the CLA, the Maserati stuff, you know, the Manny stuff, and all that stuff is amazing. And I use it. But then you got stuff like this that nobody really talks about and extremely powerful. I'm going to push out more videos and we can dive into some more cool Waves plugins.